Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to add tracking information to your sale on PayPal in 2025. If you're a seller, you know how important this is for building trust with buyers and avoiding headaches like disputes or chargebacks. By the end of this video, you'll have the steps down pat, making your transactions smoother than ever. Let's jump right in. First things first, why bother adding tracking info? In 2025, PayPal has made this even more seamless, but it's essential for proving delivery and keeping buyers happy. It reduces the risk of refunds and helps you maintain a stellar seller rating. Alright, let's get to the how. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account. Make sure you're using the latest version of the app or website for the best experience. Once you're in, head over to the Activity tab. This is where all your recent transactions are listed. Next, find the specific sale you want to update. Click on the transaction details to open it up. Look for the Add Tracking option. It's usually right there under the order summary. If you don't see it immediately, double-check that the transaction is eligible. It needs to be a shipped item. Now, enter the tracking details. You'll need your tracking number from the carrier, like USPS, UPS, or FedEx, and select the correct shipping provider from the drop-down menu. Double-check for accuracy to avoid any mix-ups. Once everything looks good, hit Save or Confirm. PayPal will update the buyer's account automatically, so they can track the package in real time. One quick tip: if you're using PayPal's integrated shipping tools, you can generate labels directly and add tracking in one go. It's a game changer for 2025 sellers. Finally, always communicate with your buyer after adding tracking to keep things transparent. There you have it, folks. Adding tracking to your PayPal sales is straightforward and takes just a few minutes. It not only protects your business but also boosts customer satisfaction. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.